Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use Secure Folder on Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. So here, go into Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy, and more security settings. It's here. Now Secure Folder. Draw your pattern or set up a pattern. And here you have log type, notifications, apps, etc. When you set up your folder, just search for it. And here you can add any app, for example Facebook, to your secure folder. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.